So welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. So we're gonna continue this trend for the summer. We're gonna do continue our smoothie thing. And for this recipe, it's gonna be a colon detox. And for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of cucumber, and 1.5 cup of water. Only 3 ingredients. We're gonna measure this and we're gonna put this in the blender. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Okay, so everything is in the blender. And what I did is that I just put a few leaves of vanilla mint in there. You can do that as well if you would like. So let's go ahead and let's blend this. Okay, so we're all done. So you can go ahead and you can strain it if you want, but I love all the pulp and all the goodness in there, so I just drink it like that. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.